1 million jobs for people who are somewhere on the autism spectrum. Mr. Sona.
Well, thank you, Mr. Moderator. I'd like to thank the UN World Autism Awareness Day Committee for the invitation to take part in the planning and address the important theme of employment. Our son Lars was diagnosed with autism at the age of 3. He's now 18, and we discussed different job opportunities with him. We believe that a job with a good match for his skills and interests will be important for his quality of life. But how will he be able to promote himself in front of employers whose standard job requirements start with strong social skills? Let us imagine a job application. Lars is not alone. There are millions of adults on the autism spectrum looking for the right job, but too few have succeeded.